The following presentation is intended to give bidders an overview of the Charleroi Middle Wall M22 through M27 construction project. It is illustrative only. Its sole purpose is to give bidders a sense of the project's construction sequence. The video and the statements made on the video are not part of the solicitation, project plans, specifications, or drawings, nor do they supplement the solicitation, project plans, specifications, or drawings. The statements and illustrations on the video are subject to change and will not be incorporated into the contract. This is an aerial view of the overall project site. From this view, we can see the standby generator laydown area, the concrete batch plant, and the general construction area. This is a zoomed view of the general construction area. Next, we zoom out of the project site and zoom into an aerial view of the disposal site, Victory Hollow. Victory Hollow is located on the left bank approximately 7 miles downstream of the project. Victory Hollow will function as a disposal location for this project. In the general construction site model, we first install sandbags atop the new river wall monoliths. Then we install the stability cell concrete cap, remove the original river wall monoliths OR 48 through OR 50, install the concrete wedge, place the stability berm, and then install the coffer wall. We then proceed to breach the fixed crest weir and allow the chamber to fill. After the weir is breached, we can partially demolish the footbridge and demolish original river wall monoliths OR 31 through OR 41. At this point, temporary power and dam controls should already be in place. We then proceed to install a coffer box upstream of the closure cell with its respective drilled shafts and the lower stabilization struts. The next part of the construction sequence will require the land chamber to be at low pull. At low pull, we place tremmy concrete bearing pads for the lower struts and install the upper struts. Once the stabilization struts are in place, the land chamber can return to operation. We place the tremmy concrete inside M22 coffer box and install the culverts, dewater the coffer box, remove the drill shaft casings, and place monolith wall M22. We then place tremmy concrete between the existing river wall and the existing diaphragm. Flood M22 coffer box. Install M22 closure. Pump water down to lower pool elevation between the M22 closure and the closure cell and remove the existing closure cell. We then proceed to install the remaining coffer box and drilled shafts all the way to monolith M27 and install the downstream protection cell. We place tremmy concrete in M27 coffer box and dewater it. We remove the drilled shaft casings and place monolith wall M27. We place tremmy concrete for M25, then M26, and later M23 through M24. We dewater the coffer box, remove the drilled shaft casings, the transverse coffer box walls. At this point, we are able to place the remaining monolith walls M23 through M26. During this process, we also install replacement struts, remove the upper stabilization struts, and finish placing the wall. To complete the wall installation, we cut and remove the coffer box to top of tremie elevation with the future M21 coffer box seal to remain.